let's talk about converting some money. So first we're going to talk about doing coins first, so adding coins, and then we will add in bills as that's kind of a little bit more complicated. If you are only at the point of learning coins, identifying them, knowing what the label is, knowing how much they're worth, that is amazing. You could stop the video now, go back and rewatch it. If you are at the point where you're starting to learn how to add money and coins, then continue watching this part, and then I'll do a little kind of break in the next part when we bring in the bills, because that's kind of a little bit of bigger amounts and a whole new can of worms. So with that being said, let's get to coins. Now, first we're going to start with the nickel. So if I had 1 nickel and I added another nickel, how much would that equal? Well, we know that each nickel is worth 5 cents. So we can represent that with a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, no. We'll go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals. So a way that we could figure this out is we could just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then because we're adding, we can just continue counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that we have 10 little dots, which represent the cents that we know from our nickel. So we know that we have 10 cents. Now, that can also look like this. Do you see anywhere over here where something might look like that? You're right, if you were looking at the dime. So, a dime is equal to 10 cents, and 2 nickels are also equal to 10 cents. So, if we wanted to, we could exchange, so we could give somebody 2 nickels, and they could give us a dime in exchange. They are worth the exact same. How cool is that? Right? Okay, so let's move on to a little bit of bigger numbers. And you can do this over and over and over again in a million different ways. You could draw jellyfish, you could draw a sun, you could just do little ticks like that if you like. Really, whatever you like. So if we were going to add dimes, if we start with 10 cents and we add 10 cents, what does that equal? Well, we can draw a picture. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 10, and we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we've got 10 plus 10 equals, let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, because we're adding, just like last time, we can just continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 circles, which we know each circle equals a cent. So that means that we have 20 cents, which also does that look a little bit silly to you? We don't really have a coin that matches up with that. So, although 10 plus 10 does equal 20, it won't be a 20-cent coin. It'll just be 2 dimes. Because there's not a 20-cent coin. You'd have to add something to be able to get to that quarter. So what do we have to add to 20 to get to that 25 that we need to exchange for our quarter? What do we need to add? Let's see, plus what do we need to add to equal 25 cents, though, that we can exchange our 2 dimes and whatever this is for that quarter? Pause the video and see if you can figure it out. We are back. So, what do you think needs to go here? If you said the number 5, you would be correct. And we know this and we can do it with a picture as well to show this. So we know that these 2 sets of dots equals 20. And we want to add 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 10, and we know that this is 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we're going to go down here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Way to go, friends. We made it. So if you were going to exchange for a quarter, you need a dime, another dime, and a nickel. Because you need the numbers in here. So you need the amounts that these coins equal to equal the exact same as on this side. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's look at our quarter. We'll wipe this away. By the way, if you have not tried a kitchen scrubby for a whiteboard wiper, try it, because it works pretty well. And even if it's stuck on for a little while, you can just use this green scruffy side, and it comes off like nothing. It's a dream. Okay, so now let's look at our quarter. So we know that a quarter is worth 25 cents. So if we had 25, and we have another 25 cents, what is that going to equal? So we can draw a picture, and that'll help us to figure out our answer. So let's draw. Now I'm going to do 25 little dots, just because it's a little bit faster than doing all the bigger dots, and it'll save some more room so that we can do some more work down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Plus, and we can do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So what does that equal? Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And because we're adding, we can just continue counting. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So we've got 50 dots, which we know is equal to 50 cents. Now, do you see a 50-cent coin here? No way. So there is not a coin that could be represented or exchanged for 2 quarters. The next thing we could exchange for would be $1. So how do we get from 2 quarters, so 50 cents, to $1? Well, $1 is 100 cents. We know that. So what do we need to add to 50 to get to 100? Well, what we can do is we can draw another picture and just keep adding quarters and see if we add 1 more quarter, will that be enough? If we add 2 more quarters, will that be enough? Let's see. So let's draw it out. We'll draw another 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so we know that there's 25 here and 25 here, and that equaled 50. So let's add another 25 and see if that's enough. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Is 75 equal to 100? No, so we are not quite there yet. Let's see if we add another quarter. So if we add another 25 cents, let's see if that'll be enough to equal 100. We're going to add some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we know that this clump and this clump and this clump, or if we wanted to draw pictures around it to make it easier, we can do that too. Okay, so we know that 25 and 25 was equal to 50. And when we added this 25, it equaled 75. So let's add 25 more to 75. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow! Friends! Look at what we ended up with! We found our number. So we know that we actually need, let's see, one group of 25, two groups of 25, three groups of 25, and four groups of 25. So we need 4 groups of 25 cents to equal a loonie, or to equal 100. So that means that we need 4 quarters to equal a loonie. Whoa! That is so cool. Now another way that we could look at this is we could go 25 times blank equals 100. And then you just multiply. And you could start 25 times 1 is equal to 25. Nope, that's not enough. 25 times 2 is equal to 50. Nope, that's not enough. By 3, 75. Nope. And by 4 would be 100. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's talk about our loonie. So we know that our loonie is equal to 100 cents, or like we just learned, 4 quarters. And I'm going to switch up my marker here, because we are officially into dollars. Good job, friends. You are doing a great job with this. So we have $1, or 100 cents. I'm not going to draw out 100 circles, or 100 dots, so we're going to call it $1. And if we add another dollar to it, what does that equal? We could draw a picture. Let's draw a star this time. So we know that 1 star plus 1 star is equal to, well, 1, and because we're adding, we can just continue counting, 2. So this is equal to $2. Now, do you see this anywhere there? You're right, it's right here. So 2 loonies is equal to 1 toonie. And that's because $1 plus $1 is equal to $2. Awesome. Oh, right. So next we are going to look at our toonie. So our toonie is $2, or 2 loonies, or 200 cents. Now, if we were to add a toonie, so that's this one, with another toonie, what would happen? Okay, let's find out. Let's draw a heart this time. So we have 1, 2, plus 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 hearts, which is equal to $4. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed the switch, and I forgot to mention it, but when you are writing cents, so anything under $1 or under 100 cents, you write it on the right-hand side of the number. And as soon as it gets higher than that, so as soon as you're using the dollar sign, you write it in front of the number. And that's what I've done here. Now, there is no such thing as a $4 coin, because the $2 coin is as high as we get here in Canada. So next you would have to move on to switching it out for a bill. But we are going to actually talk about that in the next video in part 2 of learning Canadian money, just because it's a little bit trickier and you're using a lot more big numbers. So we'll keep this with just the coins, and then we'll do the bills next time. So I just want to go over a quick lesson on how you could do this with subtracting as well instead of instead of addition. Quickly wipe this off. Alright, so I'll show you one example of this, and then you can continue making different problems or scenarios like this at home. You could use real money, you could use numbers, you could use a whiteboard, you could use rocks, you could use everything. So, if I was going to, I'm going to show you with a quarter. So if I have 1 quarter, and if I am going to go to the convenience store and I'm going to buy 1 single candy that's worth 10 cents. So 1 single candy is worth 10 cents. So I'm taking that 25 cents and I'm minusing 10. So what would that equal? Now that is the same as saying a quarter minus a dime. And we can show this with a picture. So let's do a check mark this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And we are going to take away 10 of those. So I am just going to take a different color marker. I'm going to use black, and I'm just going to put a little cross through it so that we don't count those ones. We're taking those ones away. So we're taking away 10. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so if we count up the remaining amount of check marks that we have, we'll have our answer for here. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our answer is 15 cents. Now there's not a 15-cent coin. So what can we use to make up 15 cents? 15. Well, we know that a dime is equal to 10. So let's take 10 away. And we can just draw another picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so let's check them off. So if we have 15 cents and we are trying to figure out how much change we're going to get back, we know that a dime goes in, so let's take 10. Sorry friends, the video cut out for a minute. So if we take these 5 away, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But, we'll take that away actually. So we're going to have 10 left, but we're trying to figure this out with nickels. So let's see if we take another nickel out, what that'll mean. So we have our 5 crossed off, and we're going to cross off another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now that we have our 5 crossed off and our second 5 crossed off, let's see how much is left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 left over, which is a coin in itself. from the work that we just did, we know that when we go to the store and we hand in our quarter, our 25 cents, for our 10-cent candy, we're going to get the 15 cents change. And we know that 15 cents change we can get in 3 nickels or in a dime and a nickel. Great job, friends. You have done amazing. So join us on our next math video where we will learn more about the bills and we will start working math with some larger numbers. Stay limitless, learners.